Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple and efficient way to close a group chat on WhatsApp using your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has introduced handy keyboard shortcuts that make navigating the app faster and more convenient. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp desktop application on your PC. If you're already logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side. From here, locate and click on the group chat you want to close. Once you've entered the group chat, you're ready for the next step. Now, instead of reaching for your mouse to close the group, you can use one of these quick keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus W on your keyboard. This is one of the fastest ways to close the group chat window. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus F4. This shortcut works just as effectively. If your keyboard has a function key Fn, you might need to press Ctrl plus Fn plus F4 instead. These shortcuts will instantly close the group chat window without disrupting your workflow or requiring extra clicks. It's important to note that these shortcuts don't delete or leave the group. They simply close the chat window on your screen. If you need to reopen the group later, just click on it again from your chat list, and that's it. By using these shortcuts, you can save time and keep your WhatsApp experience smooth and efficient. Whether you're managing multiple chats or just want a quicker way to navigate through the app, these tips will definitely come in handy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.